Hi, I want you to know that Color School, Design School, Level 1 and Level 2 are on sale now and that you can buy them as a trifecta, all three together. And I just wanted to sort of talk about some of the things that we do in Color School. We talked about Design School last week in a previous video. And one of the things that, like, in Color School, we don't really get into color theory. There's all kinds of information available on that. I show you how I deal with color. So I will take a rug and deconstruct it, and I talk about, you know, color triads and how, like in this color, in this combination here, we've got the blue green and the green, the red and the orange, and then the purple. And how these three colors are kind of the combination that's going to make that rug, and how oftentimes with a rug I'll start with three colors and then build out from those three colors. So that's the kind of tip, and I'll explain that to you. My color style is really what I explain in Color School, and we have all kinds of activities that help you define your color style. So that's what Color School is about. It's the Deanne Fitzpatrick studio style of color for hooked rugs, and I hope that you'll join me. It's all recorded, it's ready, it's instant access, and you know, you'll see me go to my color bins, and you'll see me go and create a color story for a hooked rug, and it'll often start with three, and then I'll build out from that and talk about how, when I build out from that, what directions I go in. So that's one of my color stories, but there are many, and I would hope that you will join me this year for Color School, for Design School, or Design School Level 2. They're great courses. Again, they're instant access, they're ready when you are, and come learn with me this fall everything you want to know about color and design for hooked rugs. There are also two other courses available right now, which confuses things, I know. Ageless Creativity and Hooking Intuitively, if you're interested in either of those. So it's time to learn. It's time to get cozy with our rugs. It's November at Deanne Fitzpatrick Studio, hookingrugs.com. See you later.